Good morning. It's Thursday. Okay, guys. This is a good on. This chapter is called the Lower Action Shotgun. I'm thinking that this next this gun starting right now, and it's very good. So I like using it, and it's very satisfying. All the other guns I already did okay. I guess low extra on top the other ones, and it's goes up and down. How do you use it? Like saying that another shotgun is another good shotgun. I should like the other ones, so that it seems like it's good. And a lot of these is shotgun like the Destiny, since it's like that you get to use. And they insistently it's kind of good weapon. Okay, so figure out that like reactions some styles. That had game beat out it like neat. You can like see so yeah. But like and then saw like this. It's this. Let us start that out now. And then like now, when I saw out the store or I got the card and stuff. So that's today's thing. So you enjoy that Tuesday night fast. It has to you guys later. Alright. In peace.